Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to do the unboxing and review of Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. So guys, the price is $16 or 1075 rupees. So you can trim your nose, your ear and your eyebrows. Okay, so it comes with the two combs. Okay, so you can see over here there are two combs over here, and then there is a battery, and it also come with a pouch. Okay, and then we have the instruction manual. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see over here there is a texture on the grip. Okay, so even if it is wet, it gives you a very good grip. Okay, and the second thing is it has dual sided blades. Okay, so you can see over here it gives you a precision trim. Okay, and I will open it. Okay, and I will show you how you can open it. So there is an arrow over here. You see there is a small arrow. You just rotate it. Okay, so I will just rotate it like this. Okay, and then I can simply open it. I just push it upward and then I can open it. Okay, so you can see over here this is how it looks like from the inside. Okay, and then I will put the battery as well. Okay, so to put this back, what you can do is, you see there is an arrow. Okay, and there is an arrow over here, so you just have to combine these two arrows like that. Okay, you see both arrows are now combined, and then simply just rotate it. Okay, so now it is fixed. Okay, the second thing is how you can use the battery. So it comes with a battery. Okay, so this is the alkaline battery. It is a very durable battery. Okay, and if it is finished, you can also use the Duracell battery as well. So how you can put it inside, you can put it from the back side of the trimmer. So you can see over here. Okay, and you can just rotate it. Okay, just rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, so I will rotate it like this. Okay, and then simply you can pull it back. Okay, so you can see it comes out. Okay, the second thing is, you see over here there is a plus sign. I will show you. So there is a plus sign for the battery. Okay, so you have to put it same way. Okay, so this is how you can put the battery inside. So this is how it looks like from inside. So you just put it like this. Okay, now it goes inside, and then simply you can put it into the trimmer. So you can see, so just put it like this. Okay, and then simply you can rotate it. Okay, and then simply it will adjust, and then you can simply just do it like this, and now it is completely adjusted. So same arrows are over there. You just have to keep them in one direction and then just rotate them. Okay, so now I will turn it on. So you can see over here this is how it works. So you can hear the sound. Okay, the second thing is, it does not cut your skin. It has a guard. It has guard over here, you can see. So it will not harm your skin. For example, I try to use it on my hand, so you can see it does not cause any harm to my skin. Okay, so no harm to the skin. Okay, so let's talk about these two combs. Okay, so there are two sizes of comb. One is large, which is 5 mm, and the other one is small. So the small is 3 mm. So how you can insert them? So you can see over here on the back side of this comb, you see there is a small angle over here. You just have to adjust it with this side. Okay, so you can see over here it is very simple. You just put it like this. So you can see over here, so just put it like this. Okay, simply just like this, and then you can just click it. Okay, so now it is ready, and you can turn it on. So this is how it works. Okay, so guys, these combs are just for the eyebrows. Okay, so if you want to use for nose and ear, you have to just use without these combs. Okay, for the eyebrows you have to move from outside towards inside. So you have to turn it on and you just move it from outside to inside. I will also show you in the picture. Okay, so you can see over here So you can see this number 4, you have to move it like this from outside towards inside, so then it will give you a very good trimming. Okay, the other thing is, if you want to use for the nose and ear, you don't have to use these combs. Okay, I just remove it. Okay, so for the nose and ear, you just have to use as it is. So you can see over here. So how to use for the nose? So you have to clean your nostrils first, and then just simply insert it no more than 0.5 centimeter. And then what you can do is, you just rotate around your nose, you just turn it on and then just rotate around your nose. Okay, so this is how you can use for the nose. And for the ear, you have to clean your ears first and then insert it no more than 0.5 centimeter in the ear, and then simply you can rotate it in circle to trim your hairs inside your ear. Okay, so you just rotate it like this, just turn it on and then just simply rotate it. Okay, so it will trim your hairs. And guys, it is completely washable, you can see over here, and it is waterproof, so you can put it under water, and then when you are cleaning it under the water, you can turn it on and off. So it's better to turn it on and off to give a complete good wash. Okay, so you can use it for the future as well. And guys, you can also take it with you if you are traveling. So as I already mentioned, it comes with the pouch. Okay, so this is the pouch. Okay, so I will insert in the pouch and I will show you if it will fit in the pouch or not. So I just put it like this, so it is completely fitting in the pouch. Okay, and then simply you can do it like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like in the pouch. So guys, this trimmer comes with a 2 years warranty, and you can see over here it is very light in weight. Okay, and it gives you a good grip, so you can see over here how it looks like in my hands. Okay, and as I already mentioned, the texture here is very nice, so it gives you a very good grip even if it is wet, and it does not need any kind of oil. Okay, and it is completely waterproof. Okay, and then as I already mentioned, when you are using these comb, you have to move them against the hair growth. Okay, so whenever you're using these comb, you have to move them against your hair growth, and these combs are only for the eyebrows. Okay, so if we look at the box, okay, so you can see over here it mentioned everything. And the series is NT3000 NT3650 /16. So you can see over here. Okay, and then here on the box, it is also showing how you can use for the nose, for the ear, and for the eyebrows. So you can see over here, and it has a completely protective guard system, and it protect your skin. Okay, and it provide an easy and safe trim. Okay, and it has a precision trim technology with effortlessly trim hair with the fast moving dual sided cutter. So you can see over here the cutter are dual sided. I will show you. So you can see over here the cutters are dual sided. Okay, so you can see over here. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.